May message po yung nagpa-deliver. Ayan. Ito po yung sabi nila. May tita na, tropa pa. Mama LJ. Dito. Happy birthday. You're getting older. Pero sabi mo nga, age is just a number. Hahaha. You know that I love you and Erica so much. Kahit na nag-aaway tayo minsan. Hahaha. I wish you all the best on your birthday. Good health, love, and happiness always. Thank you for bringing Erica into our life and for being such a cool tita. I miss you and your igado. Again, happy birthday, Sex Bomb LJ. Enjoy your day from your favorite na pamangkin, Dayan.
Thank you, Dayan.
May isa pa po. Happy 33rd birthday, Han. I wish you all the happiness in life and good health always. Alam natin na mahirap ang lahat between us, pero thankful ako sa lahat ng sacrifices mo. Siguro nga, nagkatagpo lang tayo in a wrong time. Pero nagpapasalamat ako sa time na yon kasi you teach me a lot of lessons, sacrifices, and how to love unconditionally. Thank you dahil hinayaan mo akong pumasok sa buhay mo and Erica. And because of you, also, I met a lot of people in Kaukawayan. Salamat din for the 16th month of love. And above all, I just want to say sorry for everything. Lalo na sa pagpasok ko sa buhay ni Karen. Pero ganun talaga. Mahal kita eh. I never gone this far. Alam natin pareho yan. Dahil alam natin pareho kung paano tayo nag-umpisa at tayo lang ang nakakaalam ng lahat ng yun. Hopefully. Hahaha. Anyway, happy birthday ulit. Enjoy the rest of the day. I love you always, Han. Love, Jana.
Thank you.
Ayun po, may message na lang po kayo para sa mga...
Thank you.
Picturean ko po kayo.